would have wanted to... Oh, don't knock the tripod. A little explorer. Come on, good girl. It's brand new. No claws on the sofa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week really has been all about this one. Isn't it? All about you. Go on then. Look nice there. I know this is a creative vlog, but at the minute my life equals cat, doesn't it? My life equals cat. So, first time she's been in here as well. She's doing well. Everything freaks her out, doesn't it? Everything freaks you out. So you're doing alright. She was an outside cat, so I brought her an outside house. We're going to make you a little house up, eh? We're going to make you a little house up. Yeah. I bought her an outside house for the winter months because I was resigned to having to go out to her all winter, because that's what she's wanted. She always wants me to go outside to her, and if I go in before she's decided it's end of our meeting, she comes and finds me but won't come in, or she wouldn't come in, so I'd have to go back out again until her allotted time was over. But in the past few days she's done a complete 180 and is an inside cat. She doesn't want to go outside. That's it. I know, there's a lot going on behind me. That's something else we did this week, isn't it? We did continue with the wall. I've got a fabulous story about a coat of arms. So I was watching television and I was just scrolling on my phone on eBay, and I just typed in wall and set it to auction and just went to see what it was about. And I think I went through 20 pages. This is me being mindless, by the way. This is complete mindless activity. And I did this because in amongst my mirrors are these little pewter suns and moons. I really like them, and they're unique, and I wouldn't have been able to find them anywhere else. Where's she gone? Don't get trapped. Oh, shock horror, you want a treat. I'm shocked. Bum, 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 bum. So I was trying to find anything new, anything different that way. And I saw tapestries, I saw plates, I saw brass objects, I saw everything you could imagine. And then I saw this one coat of arms. I hadn't seen any coat of arms whatsoever. And it was £8 and it had 3 hours left. And there was something in my brain that was looking at the coat of arms going, my mum had done some research into our family history, and in there somewhere we have a coat of arms. So I'm there with my mum saying, like, find that picture you've got of the coat of arms because I think I found it. And it was it. So I have a coat of arms of my ancestors on the wall. Wanna go out? Meow, 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 meow. You are a contrary Mary. Go on then, go have some adventures. Go on. So I got it, and then I looked through all the coat of arms that are on eBay, and there wasn't even 2 pages worth, like there was next to none. And yeah, I just felt like it felt a little bit like fate, to be honest. Like just this random, the fact that something, I'd only seen this image briefly once, and if you know what coat of arms look like, they kind of all look the same. The symbols are a bit different, and yes, you know, they all mean different things, but once you've seen one, you've kind of seen, or you get the idea of them all. So the fact that somehow I knew that this was our ancestors was kind of magical. So that's now on the wall, along with a couple of other bits that I've, you know, I'll be playing with this wall for a while. And then if you've seen behind, I've got the Hogwarts Headmasters portrait wall, because this is styled on Dumbledore's office. So I need my headmasters. So I sourced pictures of people that are kind of, I guess they're kind of role models or idols of mine, or people that I admire in some way, or people that I just think would kind of make awesome headmasters of Hogwarts. And of course they all had to be paintings, not photographs, because that's what the Hogwarts portraits are. And so with some of them that are particularly more modern people that you can only find pictures of, I did like tinker around a little bit to make it more painterly. And I also wanted pictures where they were sitting in chairs like at Hogwarts. So I've got Frida Kahlo behind me, and I've got the most primitive self-portrait that she did, just sitting in a chair, like no monkeys, no surreal elements, you know, nothing else besides her, just looking at the observer. And some are jokes as well that are on here, but they're all inspiring to me, and I like inspiration walls. If you've seen my other art studios, I like, you know, just something on the walls. Just a little something on the walls, not a lot, you know, just keep it understated and minimal. I also did a very simple collage art journal page, very, very simple, because I was capturing more a feeling that I was engaged in. If I'm being honest, I really like those art journal pages the best. This one came around because I watched a documentary that really tugged on my heartstrings, like really, really harrowing, really, you know, just had a lot of stories in it that I won't forget probably for the rest of my life. So I think it's really important that we do hear one another, to hear different stories, especially from different cultures where we might not necessarily immediately understand one another and our ways. It left me with a deep sense of gratitude, you know, for being born when and where I have been, and you know, all the advantages that I have. So that was what the page was about. So I think that's been about it for this week, really. I can't believe this is the 4th vlog already. Like, the weeks are just like so yeah. Oh, the only other thing I've got to tell you is that there is a massive, ridiculously wonderful bundle available, which I'll stick a link to below for you guys that are interested in getting like 4 grand's worth of art courses from like a lot of your favourite teachers. And I can't see a lose situation in these bundles that we do. It's where a bunch of artists get together and give you their courses for prices that we just couldn't do ordinarily, you know, on our own. And we still get something out of it, but it's also, you get all that and money goes to charity, and the organizer gets something as well. And you know, yeah, I love bundles in all things, not just ones that I contribute to. I recently got a herb bundle. That's something else I did this week. I made some more herb jars up, so my herb jar cabinet is looking rather fabulous now. But yeah, that bundle had next to nothing in it. It had like under a dozen courses, but I've had my eye on one that was $100 and the bundle was $37. So what am I going to do? I'm going to get the bundle, and that's what I feel like. You know, I bought a few bundles in different areas, and I think it's just a great invention of the internet, in all honesty. It's a win-win-win for everybody. Everybody gets something amazing out of it. So that bundle is, I think you've got a few days on it. I'll put a link to it below. and you'll get hundreds of courses. I don't know how many. To be honest, I've got no idea. But there's a lot of stuff in there, including my Luna class if you want that one, and lots of stuff from a bunch of your other favourite artists. And that's really it for this week. Yeah, I feel really tired just thinking about these vlogs right now. Like, it really is just like whizzing by. Crazy pants. Crazy. Whoa. Okay, much love everybody. I will see you guys next week once I've had a very long cat nap. Speaking of, oh yeah, there you are. God, she's not going anywhere. She's just not even going into other people's gardens anymore. She's just not moving. See you guys next week with another whirlwind, I reckon. What am I going to do this week? I want to paint the monthly challenge canvas, if you've seen that a little bit more. Abstract is difficult for me to let go of, to say like, okay, I've done. And there's like little things I want to tinker with on the canvas. What else am I going to do? I'm sure I had plans. I don't know. Probably involves a cat though.